wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Karina, please lead the prayer.
Attention please, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray start. Pray finish.
Amen. Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I am fine, ma'am. And how about you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, anyway, is there anyone absent today?
Nadia, ma'am.
Nadia, what happened with Nadia?
Last night she told me, ma'am, that she got headache.
Oh God, okay, let's pray for Nadia. Hopefully, she will get better soon. Okay class, now I will show you a picture.
Okay guys, do you know who is he?
No, ma'am.
He is Theophantus. Do you still remember guys what did we learn last meeting?
Yes, ma'am. Last meeting we learned about two variable linear equation system.
Good guys. Yes, Sasa?
So, what is the relationship between Diophantus and linear equation in two variable?
Very good question, Sasa. So guys, two variable linear equation system is closely related to Diophantine equation. This equation was first introduced and studied by a man named Diophantus. Diophantus was known as the father of algebra, but now the father of algebra is carried by alkalarism. Diophantus is a Greek mathematician who lived in Alexandria. Diophantus is famous for his work entitled Arithmetic. Arithmetic discusses about the development of algebra by making equations. These equations are known as Diophantine equation. So guys, the thing that you can take from the biography of Diophantus is to solve the problem is not as easy as solving multiplication by looking up. You must determine the right solution to solve it. So guys, if you want to know more about the biography of Diophantus, you can see Google or you can contact me. So I will give you a file of biography Diophantus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay guys, anyway, do you still remember the topic about two variable linear equation system that we learned last meeting? Yes, Karina? Me ma'am. Yes, last meeting we learned about the general form of two variable linear equation system and we learned about solving two variable linear equation system using graph method ma'am. Excellent Karina. Other, do you still remember? Yes, Nurul? Me, ma'am. Yes, last meeting we also learned about solving two variable linear equation system using graph method on grid paper and GeoGebra, ma'am. Yes, very good, Nurul. Okay, guys, to remind all of you, let's review the material from last meeting. I will show you a problem about two variable linear equation system. Okay guys, now would you like to come forward to help me to determine the set of completion of two variable linear equation system using graph method? Yes, Nana? Me, ma'am. Yes, please come forward. Okay, ma'am. For equation 3x plus y equal to 15, we have to determine the intersection of x-axis and y-axis. Then for the intersection of x-axis, so y is equal to 0, then 3x plus y is 0 equal to 15. So 3x equal to 15, then x equal to 5. So the intersection point is 5.0. Then for intersection of x y-axis, so x is equal to 0. Then 3x0 plus y equal to 15. Then y equal to 15. So the intersection point is 0.15. Then for the equation x plus y equal to 0 equal to 7, x plus y equal to 7, we do the same as the previous equation. And then we draw the graph. Okay guys, this is the graph for equation 1 and this is the graph for equation 1 and this is the graph for equation 2. So we get the intersection point of two graphs is 4.3, as we learned in last meeting that the intersection point of two graphs is the set of solution. So the 4.3 is the set of solution of two variable linear equation system. Yes, very good Nana. Okay guys, so what do you think about the Nana's answer? Yes, Dinda? Me, ma'am. Yes, I agree with Nana answer, ma'am. Yes, excellent Nana. Okay guys, give applause for Nana. Okay Nana, you can return to your seat. Now guys, would you like to come forward to check the set of completion about these two variable linear equation system using GeoGebra as we have done in our last meeting? Yes, Sukma?
Okay, first we draw the graph for equation 3x plus y equal to 15. Then we draw the graph for equation x plus y equal to 7. Then we have to determine the intersection points of two graphs. We choose point, then we choose intersect. Okay, then we get the intersection point is 4.3. So the answer is the same as the previous answer, that the set of completion is 4.3.
Excellent, Sukma. Okay guys, give applause for Sukma. And now guys, do you also still remember the material about algebra operation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay guys, now can you determine the solution of this equation? 5x minus 7 is equal to 9x minus 23. Can you determine?
Yes, ma'am. We have to add both sides with 7.
Okay. Then what should we do?
The result is 5x equal to 9x minus 16.
Okay.
Then we have to subtract both sides with 9x.
Okay. Then
The result is 5x. The result is, sorry ma'am, the result is minus 4x equal to minus 16.
okay, very good.
So,
Yes.
and then we have to divide both sides with minus 4.
Okay. So the result is
Then we get x is equal to 4.
okay, very good student. Okay, I guess you guys still remember what material that we have learned last meeting. Okay, to continue our material, our topic today is about two variable linear equation using substitution method. Okay guys, our learning goal today are student can describe two variable linear equation system using substitution method. Student can determine the variable linear equation system using substitution method. Student can describe the set of completion of two variable linear equation system, and student can solve the contextual problem that related to two variable linear equation system using substitution method. Okay guys, now I will show you a problem about two variable linear equation system. Okay student, please read together.
Nawa and Rina have an assignment from their art teacher to make crafts from ribbons. Nawa and Rina then buy materials for themselves and their friends. They buy at the same store and buy goods with the same brand. Rina spent 60,000 rupiah to buy 6 ribbons and 4 paper glue, while Nawa spent 88,000 rupiah to buy 8 ribbons and 8 paper glue. Arriving at the house, they forgot to ask for the receipt of purchase. What is our way to help Nawa and Rina to find out the price of one ribbon and one paper glue?
Okay guys, to solve this problem, what step should we do first? Yes, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
First, we have to make linear equation into variable.
Okay, good. Then?
So we have to make an example.
Yes.
Suppose X
Mm-hmm.
is the price of ribbons
Okay.
and Y is the price of paper glue.
Very good. Price of ribbons and Y price of paper glue. Okay, very good, Nana. Yes. How if I change variable x into variable a and variable y into variable b?
Of course, ma'am, we can make an example of the price of ribbon and the price of paper glue with any variable.
Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, student. Then what we have to do for next step?
We have to make system of linear equation, ma'am.
Okay.
For equation 1,
Yes.
because Rina buy 6 ribbon and 4 paper glue,
Yes.
and she spent 60,000 rupiah, it
Okay.
must be 6x plus 4y equal to 60,000. And for equation 2, because Nawa buy 8 ribbons and 8 paper glue,
Okay.
and she spent 88,000 rupiah,
Mhm.
it must be 8x plus 8y equal to 88,000.
Okay, good student. Then what do we do for next?
We solve the two variable linear equation system using substitution method, ma'am.
Very good, student. So for next step, we should solve this two variable linear equation system using substitution method. Okay guys, do you know how to solve this problem using substitution method? Okay, last meeting I asked you bring laptop again, right? So I know that you have done to install GeoGebra. In GeoGebra can also help you to solve this problem. Okay, I will show you how it works.
Open your GeoGebra application. After the display look like this, click View, then click CES. Then you will have a CES view like this. You can close the two-dimensional view like this, and you can also close the algebra view like this. Then you have to enter the equation. For equation 1, the equation is 6x plus 4y is equal to 60,000. Then for equation 2, the equation is x plus 8y equal to 88,000. Then you have to enter. Then you have to drag your mouse, then click equation 1 and equation 2. Then you click the solve in here. So this is the solution. The solution is for x that represent to the price of ribbon is 8,000 and y that represent to the price of paper glue is 3,000.
Okay student, so that you can understand and know more about two-variable linear equation system using substitution method, I will divide you into groups. Each group consists of 4 until 5 students. Then I will call your name, then you have to gather with your group. Is everything clear? Okay, I will call your name. Okay student, then I will distribute this worksheet to you. Work in group and discuss with your group to complete this worksheet. Okay, I will distribute this worksheet to you. Okay student, then you can check the comparison in your worksheet using GeoGebra as the comparison between the result that you do manually with the result that you do in GeoGebra. And then when you are doing your activities, I'm going to observe your collaboration and your participation. And then if there are a member of your group have difficulty, other member should help their friend who have difficulty. Is everything clear guys? Okay good. I'll give you 30 minutes to complete your worksheet. Okay, is everyone done? Okay, let's discuss for number 1. Is there a group come forward and explain the result of their discussion? Yes, group 2. Okay guys, now we would like to present our group discussion for number 1. So the solution is, okay, suppose X is price of pack of paper of origami. And Y is equal to price of one paper glue. So guys, for equation 1, Is Adinda bought 2 packs of origami and 1 paper glue? She paid 70,000. Okay guys, so from equation 1 and equation 2, we get the two variable linear equation system as follows. Okay guys, then from equation 2x plus y equal to 70,000, x value can be determined by substituting the form of equation y as follows. Change equation 2x plus y equal to 17,000 becomes y 2x plus y equal to 17,000 become y equal to 17,000 minus 2x. Then we substitute y equal to 17,000 minus 2x into the equation 2. So, obtain So guys, we get the x. X is equal to 6,500. X is the price of a pack of origami. So the price of a pack of origami is 6,500 rupiah. Then we have to determine the value of y. Y is the representative price of one paper glue. So we substitute x value x equal to 6,500 into this equation y equal to 17,000 minus 2x. So guys, we get the y equal to 4,000. Y is represent the price of one paper glue. So the price of one packet of origami and the price of one paper glue is 6,500 and 4,000. Can you check your answer using GeoGebra? Of course, ma'am.
Okay, now we will check our answer using GeoGebra. This the answer is the same as our answer in the worksheet. So this is the price of one packet of origami is 6,500 and the price of one paper glue is 4,000.
Okay guys, what do you think about group 2 answers? Yes, Nabila?
Me, ma'am, I think our group answer is the same as group 2 answer, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for group 2. Very good group 2, very good. Okay guys, give applause for group 2. Okay guys, next question number 2. Is there a group come forward and explain the result of their discussion? Yes, group 3. Okay guys, so the solution for number 2 is suppose X is the height of cuboid, Y is the height of cylinder. For equation 1, is the first arrangement of building game consists of 3 cuboids and 4 cylinders with height is 26 cm. So the two variable linear equation is obtained as follows. Then from equation 3x plus 4y equal to 27, it can change become from 3x plus 4y equal to 26, it become x equal to minus. Then substituting this equation x equal to minus 4 over 3 y plus 27 over 3 into the equation 2. So we get the height of shortest building block arrangement is 9 cm. Okay guys, then we will check our answer using GeoGebra.
This is the result. The result is the same as our result in the worksheet.
Okay guys, what do you think about group 3 answer? Okay, excellent group 3, excellent. Give applause for group 3. Then go on for next question number 3.A and B. Is there a group come forward and explain the result of their discussion? Yes, group 1. Okay guys, now we would like to present the result of our group discussion for number 3.A. Yes, so the solution for number 3.A. The two variable linear equation system for number 3.A is 2x plus y equal to 7 and so guys, we can change the equation 1 into y equal to something. Based on activity, the equation from activity 1 and activity 2, we can determine the solving of the variable linear equation system. Can change equation 1 to x plus y equal to 7 into y equal to something. So 2x plus y equal to 7, we can change into y equal to 7 minus 2x. Then substitute this y equal to 7 minus 2x into the equation 2. So we get so guys, we get the set of completion for two variable linear equation system is 2.3.
This is the result. The result is the same as our result in the worksheet. For x is 2 and for y is 3, so the set of completion is 2.3.
Okay guys, now we will continue for number 3.B. Very good, group 1. Okay guys, whether they are different answer or give respond. Okay, give applause for group 1. Okay guys, before we continue for next question, is everything clear about solving two variable linear equation system using substitution method guys?
Until now, it is clear, Mom.
Okay, very good student. Then, if you are clear, I have a problem. For example, student named Mustafa solve two variable linear equation system. The equation is 2x plus y equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y equal to 4. He solved these two variable linear equation system as follows. For step 1, he changed this equation into y equal to 5 minus 2x. And then for step 2, he substitute the equation y equal 5 minus 2x into this equation. And then he subtract 2x minus 2x, so he get 5 equal to 5. So guys, what do you think about the result that Mustafa do? Is the result that Mustafa taken is right? Okay guys, if you think that Mustafa do mistake, anyone, would you like to come forward to explain the mistake that made by Mustafa and then help Mustafa by correcting the step for solution? Yes, Nurul? Okay, ma'am. Okay, guys. So, in my opinion, ma'am, Mustafa do mistake. Mustafa do mistake in step 2. So, ma'am, I will write again the Mustafa result from solving two variable linear equation system. So, the two variable linear equation system is 2x plus y equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y equal to 4. Then Mustafa solve the two variable linear equation system as follow. For step 1, and for step 2, so Mustafa do mistake in step 2. He should substitute equation y equal to minus 2x plus 5 to the not in equation 1, but he should substitute y equal to minus 2x plus 5 into equation 2. So we get the solution as follows. Okay, then we get x equal to 2, and then we substitute x equal to 2 into the equation y equal to minus 2x plus 5. We substitute So the solution is for y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2, so the solution is 2.1. Okay guys, what do you think about Nurul answers? Me ma'am. Yes, I think I agree with Nurul answer ma'am. Okay, very good student, very good. Okay, well, Mustafa do mistake in step 2. He should substitute y equal to 5 minus 2x into second equation, into this equation as explained before by Nurul. Okay, thank you Nurul, very good Nurul. Okay guys, is everything clear? Okay guys, now go on for next question for number 3, point C and D. Is there a group come forward and explain the result of their discussion? Yes, group 4. Okay guys, we would like to present the result for our discussion for number 4, point C. According to our group opinion, ma'am, this two-variable linear equation don't have member of set solution because when we first check using GeoGebra, the result is empty set. And then when we check with graph using GeoGebra, the two graphs are not intersect or the two graphs are parallel. So the two variable linear equation don't have solution. Okay guys, we will continue for number 4, point D. So the two variable linear equation system have an infinite set of combinations. Okay, give applause for group 4. Very good. Okay guys, for next, the last question. Is there a group come forward and explain the result of their discussion? Yes, group 5. Okay, very good group 4, very good. Okay, give applause for group 4. And then guys, for next, the last question, is there a group come forward and explain the result of their discussion? Yes, group 5. Okay ma'am, thank you. Okay guys, we would like to present the result from our group discussion for number 4. 5. Excellent. Okay guys, give applause for group 5. Okay guys, before we end this class, tell me, what have you learned today? Yes, Sarah?
Me, ma'am. Yes, today we learned about solving two variable linear equation system using substitution method, ma'am. To solve using substitution method, ma'am, we do some steps as follow. First, change one variable into a form y equal to ax plus b or x equal to iy plus ay plus b with respect to other variable in one equation. And second, variable that have become function are substituted with other linear equation, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Okay guys, anything else? Yes, Nurul?
Me, ma'am. Yes, there are three set of completion to variable linear equation system. First, two variable linear equation system have exactly one set of completion. Second, two variable linear equation system have the set of completion in the form of empty set. And third, two variable linear equation system have infinite solution, ma'am.
Okay, very good student, very good. Okay guys, you are amazing and you are very active and I'm very proud of you. And I appreciate it very much. Okay guys, then give applause for all of us. Okay guys, any question before we go? Okay guys, I'll give you homework in Schoology and we will discuss for next meeting. And guys, don't forget to learn the material for next meeting. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.